Africa boasts some of the most awe-inspiring presidential palaces worldwide. These grand edifices are not merely symbols of power and governance. They also represent the continent's rich architectural heritage and vibrant cultural diversity. Each palace, from Cameroon's Unity Palace to Egypt's Abdeen Palace, tells a unique story through its design, history, and cultural significance. In this video, we will delve into the top 10 most beautiful presidential palaces across Africa, exploring their architectural splendor, historical relevance, and cultural importance. 10. State House, Kampala, Uganda. Situated in Entebbe, approximately 40 kilometers south of Kampala, Uganda State House is an impressive official residence of the president. Adjacent to an H-shaped ceremonial building that once hosted the Queen of England, the State House stands as a testament to Uganda's rich cultural heritage and historical importance. 9. Presidential Palace, Dakar, Senegal. Located in Dakar, the Presidential Palace of Senegal is a stunning white structure set amidst expansive grounds. It serves as the official residence of the President of Senegal, known for its exquisite exterior and meticulously maintained gardens. This palace is a proud symbol of Senegal's deep-rooted history and cultural legacy. 8. Presidential Palace, Nouakchott, Mauritania. The Presidential Palace in Nouakchott, Mauritania, is a striking edifice that dominates the city's skyline. Built by Chinese contractors, it functions as the main administrative hub of the Mauritanian government. Its vast grounds and beautifully landscaped gardens underscore the country's commitment to progress and development. 7. Presidential Palace, Khartoum, Sudan. Khartoum's Presidential Palace is a historically significant building adorned with invaluable artifacts and antiques. Positioned on Blue Nile Street, next to the Palace Museum, it has long served as the official residence and executive office of the President of Sudan. The palace is a symbol of Sudan's rich heritage and a must-visit for history enthusiasts. 6. Avaloha Palace, Antananarivo, Madagascar. The Avaloha Palace, located at the base of a scenic hill in Antananarivo, Madagascar, is an architectural marvel. Surrounded by lush greenery and offering breathtaking views, it serves as the official residence of the President of Madagascar. Its unique setting and architectural beauty place it among Africa's top state houses. 5. The Flagstaff House, Accra, Ghana. Accra's Flagstaff House is a remarkable architectural masterpiece. Initially built as a presidential residence and office, it was reconstructed and dedicated during President John A. Kufuor's tenure. The project, managed by an Indian contractor, cost around $50 million. Today, the Flagstaff House symbolizes Ghana's rich history and cultural heritage. 4. State House of Namibia. In Namibia's State House, located in Windhoek, exudes strength and authority with its fortress-like structure. Featuring a 2-kilometer-long steel gate, dark glass towers, and formidable security rooms, it serves as both the administrative capital and official residence of the president. The State House took about 66 months to build, at a cost of nearly $27 million. 3. Union Buildings, Pretoria, South Africa. Situated atop a hill in Pretoria, South Africa, the Union Buildings are architectural marvels. Spanning 285 meters in length, these monumental structures, designed by Sir Herbert Baker, are constructed of light sandstone. They house the South African government, including the presidency and the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. The Union Buildings, with their extensive gardens and impressive architecture, are iconic symbols of Pretoria and popular tourist attractions. 2. Abdeen Palace, Cairo, Egypt. The Abdeen Palace in Cairo, Egypt, epitomizes opulence and grandeur. Renowned for its intricate decorations, stunning paintings, and lavish interiors, it ranks among the world's most luxurious palaces. Located on Kasr Elmno Street, it served as the royal residence until the monarchy was abolished in 1952. Today, it is the official residence and principal office of the President of Egypt. 1. The Unity Palace, Yaoundé, Cameroon. Regarded as the most beautiful presidential palace in Africa, the Unity Palace in Yaoundé, Cameroon, is a true architectural masterpiece. With its majestic pillars, exquisite design details, and lush surroundings, it has been the official residence of the President of Cameroon since November 6, 1982. Located in the Entebbe neighborhood, it stands as a symbol of Cameroon's cultural and historical richness. The presidential palaces of Africa are not just residences for the continent's leaders. They are architectural gems that embody the rich histories, cultures, and aspirations of their respective nations. Each palace, from Uganda's State House to Cameroon's Unity Palace, tells a unique story through its design and historical context. These structures are a testament to Africa's diverse architectural heritage, showcasing a blend of traditional and modern influences. As symbols of power, authority, and national pride, these palaces play a crucial role in the cultural and political landscapes of their countries. Exploring these magnificent buildings offers a deeper understanding of the continent's vibrant history and the enduring legacies of its leaders. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more educative videos like this one.